In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use job filters on Glassdoor. Search filters 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to narrow a broad job hunt into a focused list of roles that match your needs. Start by opening your browser and going to glassdoor.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account using your preferred method. Keep this quick. Once you're in, you'll land on the homepage. From the homepage, head to the top navigation and click Jobs. This takes you to the dedicated job search area. If you see an option to select search, go ahead and choose it to open the main search interface. Now enter your job title in the keyword box, something like product manager, data analyst, or customer support. In the location field, type a country, a specific city, or choose remote if you want fully remote opportunities. This initial search sets the stage for your filters to work effectively. Next, look for the filter icon, usually near the top of your results. Click it to open Glassdoor's filtering panel. This is where you'll transform a long list into a targeted set of roles. If speed matters, toggle Easy Apply only to surface jobs that allow you to apply directly through Glassdoor without jumping through extra hoops. Use Remote only to ensure your results are limited to remote-friendly positions, which is helpful if you've entered a broader location earlier. Set a salary range that fits your expectations. Remember, some listings estimate or omit pay, so consider widening the range if your results get too narrow. Use company rating to filter by employer quality based on candidate and employee reviews. Date posted helps you target fresh listings. Choosing the last 24 hours or the past week is great when you want to be among the first applicants. Under job types, select full-time, part-time, contract, internship, or temporary to match your availability. Cities lets you drill down within a country to specific metros. Industries narrows roles to sectors like tech, healthcare, or finance, which is useful if your experience aligns with a particular domain. Job functions helps you focus on the kind of work you do: engineering, marketing, operations, and more. Seniority levels filters roles to entry, mid, senior, or leadership. If you have target employers, use companies to include them, and company sizes to choose startups, mid-sized firms, or large organizations. Apply your filters and watch your results update instantly. If the list feels too small, relax one or two filters. If it's too broad, tighten salary, date, or function. And that's it. You're ready to browse a refined set of roles that match what you're looking for.